The most expensive folding phone Samsung has ever made is about to come out. There's a new metal hinge, a battery bump that matters, and a camera bump that no one saw coming. This is the Z Fold 8 Ultra Galaxy. This is what Samsung is taking out of the box on July 22nd in London. As in the past, it should be on sale around August 5th. So, there will be a 2-week gap between announcing it and holding it. The price now. Prices are likely to go up everywhere at Samsung because of the global memory chip problem that is affecting the whole industry. The base model with 256GB is said to cost €2,199 in Europe. When we change that to US dollars, it costs between $2,099 and $2,199. The price has gone up by $100 to $200 since last year. That hurts. Now for the twist. The Ultra still has the famous tall and narrow book shape, but the regular Fold 8 is getting a whole new, wider shape. Lots of people already love folded fans. It's actually smaller than it was last year. When opened up, it's 4.1mm thick instead of 4.2. The weight is about 218 grams, and the IP48 rating for water and dust protection stays the same. Leaks show that there are 4 new colors: cream, graphite, green shadow, and violet shadow. The hinge, though, is the real story. They're calling it Flex Titanium, and it's made up of a titanium alloy film and a titanium plate right in the opening. The resolution of the inner screen goes from 1968 by 2184 to 2256 by 2504. More clear and sharp, but still 8 inches. Peak brightness is 3600 nits, which is a big jump from the Fold 7's 2600 nits. Both screens still have the same 6.5-inch 120Hz LTPO top screen. One rumor that didn't make it was that it would have a privacy screen like the S26 Ultra. That story was put down right away by a well-known leaker. This year, there is no privacy mode. Instead, the screen is brighter, sharper, and more durable. This is the special 4 Galaxy form of the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chip, which has cores that have been overclocked, getting to 4.74 GHz. That means quickly switching between tasks, and this thing should really fly. RAM grows as your storage does. 1TB models come with 16 GB of memory, while 256 and 512 models come with 12 GB. The memory is LPDDR5X, and the storage is UFS 4.0. It comes with One UI 9 on Android 17, which makes the taskbar work better and makes switching between apps on the cover and inner screen smoother. Now for the cameras. This is what makes the Ultra different from the standard Fold 8. The main camera has the same 200 megapixels and OIS. While the 3x zoom is still 10 megapixels, the ultra-wide goes from 12 megapixels to 50 megapixels. Both the inside and outside screens of selfie cameras stay at 10 megapixels. Leaks also show that the camera software will be like the one on the S26 Ultra. It will support better low-light shots, video LUT, and recording from both the front and back cameras at the same time. So with that being said, let me know your thoughts in the comment below. If you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.